Today we're talking about the distributive property. The distributive property is saying that when you're multiplying something in parentheses, we multiply it times whatever is outside the parentheses. So for example, we would multiply a times b and a times c. So we see here a times b plus a times c. A times b minus a times c. So if we put numbers to this, let's say we have 5 times 20 plus 6. You could say 5 times 20 plus 5 times 6. What's 5 times 20? 100 plus 30. When we add 100 plus 30, 130. We have to simplify an expression. We can use the distributive property here. Now 5x plus 3, can we add these? No, we cannot add 5x plus 3 because they are not like terms. That means we have to use the distributive property. This means we're multiplying 2 times 5x, so I write 2 times 5x plus 2 times 3. 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 3 is 6. I cannot add 10x plus 6, so my answer is 10x plus 6. We have 3b minus 2 times 1/3. What are we distributing? 1/3. We have to distribute it to the minus 2 and to 3b. So I would write 1/3 times 3b minus the minus 1, 1/3 times 2. To multiply my fractions, I'm going to say 1/3 times 3b over 1 minus 1/3 times 2 over 1. Notice when I'm multiplying 1/3 times 3b over 1, we can cross cancel the 3's. So I'm left with b over 1. 1 times b is b, 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3. Can I simplify b over 1 to b minus 2/3? If we have negative 6x plus 4, here we're distributing this negative. When the negative is by itself, we can imagine there's an imaginary 1 right here. So we're distributing a negative 1. This means negative 1 times 6x plus negative 1 times 4. Negative 1 times 6x is negative 6x plus negative 4. Can I simplify? I have a plus and a minus together. Yes, when there's a plus and a minus together, we keep the minus sign. We're combining like terms and we have to simplify the expression 3x squared plus 5x squared. These terms are like terms because they both have the same variable and the same exponent. That means we can add their coefficients. The coefficients are the numbers in front of the variable. That means we're adding 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8x squared. If we have to simplify negative 5c plus c, these are like terms. They both have the same variable and the same exponent with the variable, in this case 1. So we have to add their coefficients. The coefficient here is negative 5. What is the coefficient in front of C? 1. Negative 5 plus 1, negative 4, C.